So students, now we will learn some more divisibility rules. Earlier we have done divisibility rules of 2, divisibility by 5, divisibility by 10 and divisibility by 3. Now we will learn the divisibility by 4. If last two digits are divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. For example, 79,424. You are asked that tell whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. It means whenever you asked to find the divisibility, it means you have to check whether this number can be completely divided by 4 or not. So you will not start dividing. We have to use the divisibility rules. For 4, we will check the last two digits. What are the last two digits? 24. Is 24 divisible by 4? Can you tell me? Is 24 divisible by 4? Yes. 4 6 are 24. So, if last two digits are divisible by 24, then this full number is divisible by 4. Now, next is by 8. 4 and 8 are same. And this, if last three digits are divisible by 8 or it is 000, in both the cases that number will be divisible by 8. For example, I have taken this number. This is so large number. You will not start dividing it by 8. We will just simply look at the last three digits. What are the last three digits? 800. 800 is divisible by 8. So this full number is divisible by 8. Okay students, now divisibility by 6. 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, it means if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, if we check its divisibility by 2, it should be yes. If we check its divisibility by 3, it should be yes. Then only it will be divisible by 6. Let us take an example, 564. So first of all, we will check its divisibility by 2. Is 564 divisible by 2? Yes. What we have to do for 2? We will look at the last digit. If this digit is even, so this is by divisible by 2. Now we have to check its divisibility by 3. For 3, we have to find the sum of the digits, that is 5 plus 6 plus 4. It is 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. So this 564 is also divisible by 3. Now our answer in both the cases, by 2 is yes, by 3 is yes. So this number is divisible by 6 also. Now next is by 9. 9 is same as the divisibility by 3. In 3 also we check the sum of digits, and in 9 also we check the sum of digits should be divisible by 9. For example, this number is given 4320. So if we have to check that this number is divisible by 9, we will find the sum of digits, that is 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0. What is our answer? 9. Is 9 divisible by 9? So this whole number is divisible by 9. So students, you have to learn these rules. If you have to check the divisibility by 4 and 8, in 4 you have to check last two digits. For 8 you have to check the last three digits. For 3 and 9 you have to check the sum of digits. And for 6, the number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. It means in both the cases. If it is divisible by 2 but not by 3, then it will not be divisible by 6. So students, learn these rules to solve the questions.